This time out on Jackwagon Garage, we're going to do the monumental task of changing out the cabin air filter on our 2016 Chevy Cruze. So this is a brand I've been using for a few years now. It's on Amazon. Charcoal activated filter. I will link this in the description. So what we're going to need to do today is tear apart that dashboard. Let's get to it. So as far as the only tools you're really going to need for this monumental task are a 7mm nut driver, or if you prefer, a drill with a 7mm nut driver socket on it, and your hands. So let's position this camera, and the first thing we're going to do is we're going to pop this panel off. She's just held in with clips, and we'll set her on the roof. Now let's see, two of your screws are going to be here, one here and one here. We're going to move. The next thing you're going to want to do is, well, let's move the seat back so you can see this. Get in here and pry this panel out. And she comes off just like that, and we'll set her aside. And then what you're going to want to do, let's see. So in your center console here, there's a little handle under here. You're going to pull down on this piece here and pull forward. And that's going to expose your fuse box. And we're going to move over to here. We're going to lift up and pull. I think it's right here. Pull under here, pull this out. See, that whole thing comes out? We're going to kind of kick it to the side here. I just kind of have it hanging there. Now this is going to expose your 7mm screws. Let's see if we can get in here. So there's one there. There is another one. Can't find it. Shit, is it this one? Oh, well, we'll find out here. But there's one here, and there's one up under here. So I'm gonna go at it with my drill. I'll get this one under here first. It's just right there. Boom, there's one. There's two. There's three. Wow. I did not finish that one. There's four. Let's try, I think this is five right here. No, I'm wrong. I think there's... Oh, I'm sorry. It wasn't this side one. There's one up here. You take the glove box down. There's one right here. That's the fifth one. Well, we'll move this back over here. This one was not necessary to come out. Okay. Oh yeah, there's a little, oh shit, there's a little clip right here. You got to, so you have to pop this right here out. Now she should come free. There we go. Some clips at the top. involves the glove box that turns the lights off. Okay, so now we got the glove box out of the way. There she is. And there's a little tab you lift here and one on the corner here. Lift up, peel that down, and as you can see it says airflow pointing down. We're gonna get in here. Wow, this one's wedged in. There we go. Wow, little dead bug on there. Let's get that out of there. Don't let the wife see that. Okay, and this little, be careful not to hit this wire here. That's for your glove box light. But she comes right out. So let's go. I was looking at it. It didn't look dirty, but now that I look more at it, this is pretty dang dirty. Let's compare that to our new ATP. It's a little more robust. I like the frame. This really doesn't have much of a frame on it. So let's put our new ATP filter in. Get around the wire. Get around that little clip in the front there. And slide her right in. How about I put the camera up where it is instead of narrate? And snap her shut. Okay, let's get that glove box back in. Line the clips up top. Make sure you're getting in the right spot and then just push her right in. Click this little tab here. Locate your screws on your charcoal carpeting with no light on. And let's put these screws back in. This one's a little tricky. Yeah, that one's a little tricky. Might need to get down there and look where this goes. That doesn't just drop in. There we go. Alright. Here's my last screw. I'm missing it. Oh, it got captured in here. So those two screws are inside the glove box. The ones I pointed to at the beginning were wrong. So there's your 5 screws. In this glove box. All right. We're gonna go ahead and pop this back around. See the little clip there? Get her back under here. And snap her in place. Just like that. We're gonna get our little console deal. Little hooks on the bottom. Hook them into that right there. And snap that back in place. Next up, we're gonna do the side panel from our console. Noting where all these clips go. And finally, put this sucker back in there. Noting where these tabs go. And that wraps it up. That is how you change your nasty old cabin filter on a 2016 to 2019 Chevy Cruze. Wasn't as bad as I expected it to be. Be sure to give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed this. Check out my other content. Subscribe if you want to. I appreciate all the subscribers. and we'll catch you in the next one. Thank you for visiting.